takes the city by surprise and leaves a mark long after it melts. It's October 5th, 2010, in normally dry and sunny Phoenix, Arizona. But today, thunderstorms are rolling towards the city. Shortly before 5 p.m., teacher Steve Mata steps outside his classroom to take a look at the ominous cloud formations gathering on the horizon.
The sky was dark, and I saw the clouds moving at that speed that it was so abnormal to me. To my eyes, I've never seen anything like that. So I just started filming from that moment. There's something big and get up ahead of us right now.
Mata can hear the storm approaching.
You just hear this loud noise, and it's almost like a construction crew coming to demolish something.
Suddenly, the sky opens up. Oh my God!
In 30 seconds, it started steadily coming down hard, hard, hard.
With another teacher, Mata retreats to the relative safety of his classroom. But they're still getting pelted with hail.
The force of the hail as it came in was so strong that it was actually going all the way across my room.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area.
And if there was, all that came out of my mouth was, "Oh my God, are you kidding me?"
Oh my God! Northwest of Mata's school, car salesman Richard Lazo is watching the same line of hail pass over the dealership where he works.
It was just like a wall of ice coming down.
Then, as quickly as it comes in, it moves out. But in its wake, heavy damage.
Brand new car, completely destroyed by the storm. We had close to about 300 cars here on the lot, and every car got damaged.
The hail breaks